Hi, this is Bev from Adventure Seeking. Thanks again for checking out the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Today, we are going to hike with a pup. So I'm off to get him right now. Jango. All right, we are hiking. I don't know how far we've been hiking, but maybe about 15 minutes or so. We are in Fox Forest. It's either Stoddard or Antrim, New Hampshire. I've never been here before. And neither has the dog, apparently. He's having fun. See? There he is. His name is Jango. He's not my dog. He's a friend's dog. And it seems that he needs exercise, so I'm up for the challenge. Since I need exercise as well. So me and the dog are trying to make a routine. Although this is only the second time I've taken him out. But we're still getting used to each other. Oh, he's probably taking a turd and I have to do something with that. It's quite a nice forest, actually. I have a feeling dogs just eat grass. That's where we're going, buddy. That's what hiking with a dog is like. Come on. What are you doing? Just standing there looking at me? Guess we should check the map and find out the next exit point and do that. You. Alright, it's 2:30. We're on our way back to the car. We hit the furthest point out in the woods, and maybe that was about 10 minutes ago. But we've been out here for like 2 hours, hanging out, just walking, chilling. I think we've been doing like, I want to say like 1 mile an hour, whatever. Either way, we've done 3 miles already. I wanted to do 5, but I think by the time we get done with this, we might have done 4. Maybe. There's a lot of rocks down here. That's what I'm doing. But yeah. So yeah, this is Fox Forest in Hillsborough, New Hampshire. And it's pretty cool. It'd be a nice place to go snowshoeing. But apparently, there are some hunters here. So if you come during hunting season, wear blaze orange. I was told by a hunter that today is the last day for hunting, and I'm wondering, did it end at noon? I don't know. I don't know how hunting schedules go, but he says we're all done. So, I guess, maybe, That was around noon when he told me. This might even be where I gotta go. It's called Gold Pond Trail. I have the Gaia app, and it seems to be working quite well in here. I took the satellite off, so it works good that way. Plus it saves your battery if you take the cellular off, because the satellite still works on your cell phone, so it shows you where you are. But the map the map that I got from the kiosk in the beginning, very misleading. It's not drawn to scale, obviously, but it'll get you around. It'll show you, take a right here, take a left here, but I don't think it's, as I said, drawn to scale. We went to Mud Pond, as you saw earlier, rightfully named, but there was a little boardwalk at the end of that trail near Mud Pond. You can hang out there and watch birds. Jango was a little afraid to go into it, but he's a dog. He's a rescue dog, so rightfully so. Yeah, I haven't seen any animals, no chipmunks, no nothing. Very, very, very quiet in the forest. Only people. I've seen 3 people and 1 dog. Whew. Something slipped. So yeah. One of the people had a gun. So yeah, we're on our way back. It's kind of cold anyway. When I left the Falcon, it was 39 degrees, so I'm sure it hasn't gone up any. I will be getting one of those Bluetooth temperature things, which I think is cool, because I literally just bought a 20-degree sleeping bag, so now I can sleep in my SUV in the winter now. Whether I just use that bag or double up with the other one I have, that's a 35-degree bag, that's a pretty good rating when you add them both up. We're going through a lot of area that's been logged. So you're seeing like small saplings growing up. What they do is they let the sunlight hit the floor of the forest. So the little trees have now a chance to grow. So I guess it's just helping the forest get older, or get better. I don't know what the word is, but it's not deforestation. It's just logging an area and then letting it grow back, giving all those little baby trees a chance to live. Look at him. He's been waiting for me all day. It happens. Anyway, I think he knows that we're going back. What's up, Jango? Who's it, puppy? Take me to the car. Do you know the way? Sometimes he knows the way. I guess he can smell other people or dogs. But sometimes he's just way off. But don't always pay attention to the pup. Sometimes sometimes he takes me off trail. So if I see anything interesting, I'll bring you back. Oh, he's learning the game. Drink some water, get a treat. But check this out. We're on the mushroom trail. Things have numbers all over them. Pretty cool. Guess we'll read about what that means. There we are, back in the car. Jango's so happy.